Hey everyone, I'm Austin, and today we're going to walk through how to create custom webhook rules in PagerTree using YAML. This is incredibly powerful when your monitoring tool sends webhooks in a custom format, like status changes from an alerting system that posts JSON with fields for status, down, or up, and we want PagerTree to automatically create an alert on down and resolve it on up. We'll use a unique monitor ID as a third-party ID so the same monitor doesn't create duplicate alerts. First, make sure you're logged into your PagerTree account as an admin or integrator. From the top navbar, click Integrations. Then click New Integration, select Webhook Custom, and give it a clear name like Monitoring Tools Custom Webhook. What I like to do first is open a separate window with a sample payload that our monitoring tool will send. Here's the example I'm using in Postman. Now, in the PagerTree integration window, scroll down to the Custom Definition section and we'll replace the default with our custom YAML. Here's the YAML we're going to use. I'll explain it line by line. We start with 3 dashes. The first rule matches when log.data.status equals down using simple MongoDB style matching. If it matches, we run type create. That opens a new alert. We set the title dynamically from the payload, the description from the message field, and most importantly, we set the third-party ID using a handlebars template, log.data.monitor.id, which pulls out a unique value like SEA123 that stays consistent across down and up messages. The second rule is almost identical but matches on status up instead and runs type resolve with the same third-party ID. So when the webhook arrives, PagerTree finds the open alert with that monitor ID and resolves it automatically. This gives you clean, open, resolved pairing and prevents duplicates. You can add more fields, tags, or even acknowledge actions in the create step. If your JSON structure is a little different, maybe different key names or deeper nesting, you can tweak the match conditions or handlebars expressions. Check the docs for all the available MongoDB style operators like regex, in, greater than, and more. Now to test, save the integration, then copy the endpoint URL from the details. Send the sample down webhook to that URL using Postman or curl, or trigger it from your actual monitoring tool. Wait a few seconds. PagerTree should ingest it, match the first rule, and create an alert with your monitor ID as well as a third-party ID. Then send an up version with the same monitor ID. It should match the second rule and resolve that exact alert. If nothing happens, check the log section of the integration. PagerTree shows exactly which rule matched or why none did. Super helpful for debugging. A couple of pro tips. Always use the same unique field like monitor ID for the third-party ID in both create and resolve steps. That's the magic that makes deduplication work. You can also set urgency, tags, additional data, or even acknowledge in your actions. The possibilities are huge with handlebars for dynamic fields. For all the details on preprocessors, help, and advanced matching, check the official PagerTree docs. Thanks for watching, happy alerting, and I'll see you in the next one.